My participation in MICE Alliance is strongly expresses our interest, no, and support with coordinating and the alliances. Santa Fe, it's the island destination itself, and we've been known already for wedding destinations, no? So we want to establish that distinct node as an island eco tourism destination. Okay, so with private sector coordination as our partner in to prepare with this MICE, we strongly believe na we could grow further, no, as a MICE destination. Thank you.